Scary. Scary religion. Angry people. Bad religion.
What's your name?
Felix.
Where from?
Indonesia. I write books. Content creator also in it. Before Islam, I do not have purpose in my life. But in Islam, I have already purpose and how to struggle with the purpose.
Did you have any religion before?
Christian. Convert to Islam.
What was the first impression about Islam?
Scary. Scary religion. Angry people. Bad religion. Terrorism. Because I not so good experience with Muslims in Palembang. I keep searching. Is there a religion? If there is a God, who is the God? If there is a religion, so what is the true from the religion? From 5 religion in Indonesia, which religion is the best? That's why I came to Islam after 5 years of searching. Islam said that if you are thinking, then you are get closer to Islam. But if you are not thinking, then Islam is not good for you. So Islam is like logical religion. When you're thinking more, then you are believing more. I used to play Japanese game very much. Final Fantasy. That's the game that get me out from a religion. I keep searching and keep asking for myself, is there a God? High school, I get the answer. God must exist. Because when I study physics, when I study biology,